కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తాను పీడిఎఫ్ ఫార్మాట్.
Yes, go on. Good morning, everybody. I am Fauzia. Today I am going to present you my favorite philanthropist. He is Mahesh Babu. Being an introvert, he is an Indian actor. He is also, apart from this, he is a philanthropist. Being an introvert, many of his activities have been behind the curtain. So I am going to present some of his philanthropist activities. So he contributes for every year 30% of his charity to the charities, and he is also goodwill ambassador of Healer Child. So Healer Child is about he has been associated with Healer Child nearly for 8 years from now. Healer Child is for about the children facilities, the basic needs, and also for their serious operations and for any emergency. Recently, a child named, she is a born baby, T. Suprita. She was diagnosed with some serious heart disease. She was discharged and from Andhra hospitals because of Mahesh Babu. He also arranges money for healing with Little Hearts. Nearly 1,000 operations have been performed by Andhra hospitals by collaborating with him, and he helps with the and he arranges the money for those children. Apart from this, he also adopted 2 villages, one in Andhra Pradesh and another in Telangana, that is Buripalam and Siddhapuram. In these villages there is a good to provide facilities, the basic needs, roads, water, and he has established, he is doing those activities. Thank you.
Do you know the philosophy? Love all, serve all, help ever, hurt never. Yes. Whose philosophy is this? Baba. Ratnakaram Satyanarayana Raju, as known as Satya Sai Baba. He was born on 23rd November 1926 in Puttaparthi, Anantapur district, Andhra Pradesh. His parents are Pedda Venkama Raju Ratnakaram and Ishwaramma, mother. He is the founder of Sri Satya Sai International Organization. He speaks multiple languages. He was died on 24th April 2011 at the age of 84. His family photo. About Satya Sai International Organization. It was founded on 1965 year. It is a spiritual and humanitarian non-governmental organization. It works primarily with the education and humanitarian assistance sectors in India and internationally. This is an umbrella organization which runs several institutions, trusts and associations. Sri Satya Sai Super Specialty Hospital. To fulfill his mother's wish, Satya Sai Baba established Super Specialty Hospital in Puttaparthi. This is a panorama pic of Sri Satya Sai Super Specialty Hospital. And these are the pics in that hospital. Even my mother had angiogram operation in that hospital, so I have benefited from his organization. Sri Satya Sai Baba Mahasamadhi at Prashanti Nagar. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. What comes to your mind when you see the name?
Indian power market. Invest.
Stock market, right? Yes, very good point. He's also a chartered accountant, and he's also known as the big bull of Indian stock market. So, he's none other than Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. The flowchart. His biography. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala is an Indian business magnate, stock trader and investor. He manages his own portfolio as a partner in his asset management firm, Rare Enterprises. His own firm. Jhunjhunwala grew up in a Rajasthani family in Bombay, where his father worked as a commissioner of income tax. Born on 5th July 1960, he is of 61 years. His wife name is Rekha Jhunjhunwala. He is educated as a chartered accountant. His children, he have 3 children: Nishita Jhunjhunwala, Aryaman Jhunjhunwala, Aryavi Jhunjhunwala. His parents' name were Radheshyamji Jhunjhunwala, Urmila Jhunjhunwala. So, before going to his philanthropic activities, I am going to tell you a story about him which motivated me. In his initial stage of education, he once asked his father that I want to make a career on stock market. So at that moment his father said him that first of all complete your graduation or degree something else, then after do whatever you want. Then after completing his degree as a chartered accountant too, he again went to his father and he asked that, Father, I want to become a stock market investor and make a career on it. So after that, his father said that I am not going to give you a single penny. I am not going to give you a single penny, or else you are not going to ask any of my friends for the financial support. You have to do it by your own. So in his initial stage, he started with 5,000 rupees, and with his patience and his strategies and all, he is now a billionaire in stock market, has taken the stock market into next level. So now coming to the philanthropic activities, billionaire investor Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, often referred as the big bull of Indian stock market. For his investment strategies, he has decided to pledge 1/4 of his wealth for charity. He is the 4th Indian business person after Azim Premji, Shiv Nadar and G.M. Rao to make a statement of intent to give away a substantial part of his personal wealth to the charity as a philanthropic activity. He is going to donate 25% of his wealth to charity through his R. Jhunjhunwala Foundation. And the inspiration has come from his father. He is also a philanthropist, as he did many of the charity works. The other motivation factor for his philanthropy is his sense of duty towards the society. For him, the 2 primary role models for a giving perspective are Tata's and the Bill and Melinda Gates. Some of the causes that he supported are Agastya, the Olympic Gold Quest, and an orphanage. R. Jhunjhunwala Trust contributes homes for children aged between 7 to 9 at panels. Those children who are begging on the streets, roads and all, on the traffic, we every day see them, right? They are providing them homes with education, food and all daily needs. He partnered with Dr. Devi Shetty in building Asia's largest children's hospital in Mumbai. In Mumbai, they constructed Asia's biggest children's hospital, where they are providing free of service with no cost and providing children who are in an actual need. His actual annual donation is around 50 crores. So, as per the initiative taken by R. Jhunjhunwala, I support him, and I myself want to become a helping hand towards this society. And thank you.